the amount of truths our lives are, and the amount of the lies that our lives are, which makes the difference of what we believe our lives are. What we believe is possible on the inside and outside, and what is actually possible on the inside and outside is the difference between our personal belief and the actual factual reality that we must live. Sometimes we can have dreams on the inside, and they can come true on the outside. But only one part of the dream may be true, and the other part of the dream that we had may have been a complete lie. In this world, there are truths and there are lies in many different things, and we must pay attention to the truths and the lies that exist all around us and within us and outside of us. When we do not question what are the truths and what are the lies, then we are wishing only to believe everything we feel and think without questioning anything. The truths of life is that it is cold and it is bitter and it is hard and we do not survive it. The lies of life is the distractions and the pleasures and the good feelings and the successes that we can have in life that help us to ignore the whole picture of what everybody goes through each and every day here on planet Earth. There are truths and lies with desire and with intimacy and with relationships and with successes and with functioning as a human and with jobs, and the list goes on and on. Every day people should choose to see how many truths and how many lies exist within us, and everything that all of us have to face each and every day. What helps clear up any confusions that we might have is when we question the percentage of how many things hold truths and how many things hold lies in life. Our imaginations mixed with emotions and mixed with thoughts can be our greatest lies, and every now and then it can be our greatest truths. Sometimes you can have 99% truths and 1% lies, and that is what makes the difference of being capable of understanding there are still lies within the truths. No matter how the percentage varies between truths and lies, we must be capable of deciphering and discerning what is truths and lies, so we can have a clearer picture of what our lives really are. Our lives can get better, but only when we see what is actually needed for our lives to get better, and we do not base it on too many lies that create a weaker foundation for our stability in our lives. We have to continue to understand what it means to live in this life, and how much we might be a part of the lies that we tell ourselves and the lies that we believe, because we want to believe the lies, because the truths of life can make our lives seem more negative rather than positive. Understanding our truths and our lies is the true freedom of being capable of having the exercise of free will in a way that truly helps us make choices, that helps us exercise our free will with the understanding of what the truths and lies are in our lives.